and the lovely Mrs. Pamela. We're out here at Corpus Christi at the marina. Meet up with Corinne. It's session 2 of Corinne's sailing lessons. We're gonna get out and kick ass out here in the bay. It's foggy. Supposed to get about a 3-foot waves out here. 16-mile-an-hour winds. Right now it's not bad. 10-12 mile an hour wind. We'll get the boat ready, and when this fog lifts, we're gonna kick it. My name is Ziggy, and I'm out tearing up the Texas coast on a Wind Rider 17. Jump aboard, cause I'm gonna take you bastards sailing. Today's adventure brings us back to Corpus Christi and part 2 of Corinne's sailing lessons. If you didn't see the first video, Corinne's a subscriber of mine. Her and her daughter bought a 28-foot tartan with hopes of coastal sailing it down across South America. And the biggest hurdle of that is she doesn't know how to sail. And that's where I come in. Corinne reached out in the comment section of one of my videos and asked for my help. So the lovely Mrs. Pamela and I came down. We got a beautiful room looking over the marina for 3 nights in downtown Corpus Christi. And 2 of those days was spent out on the boat with Corinne. All right, we're out with the Ziggettes.
And the
we're out on
bumblebees.
sailing lessons number 2 on Corpus Christi Bay. Beautiful day, light air, hazy, humid. It's beer drinking on the water weather. So let's get this show going. So with a steady wind and a 2 to 3 foot chop, we left the safety of the harbor and headed out into the bay, leaving Corpus Christi behind us. Both days of these sails were very similar. The biggest difference would be on day 2, we only ran the jib. We concentrate on the sail trim on the jib. So you're going to see the 2 days mixed in here back and forth. So if the sails seem to change or something, that's what that is. Yeah, you're right there, so I feel happy. Feel happy. Now you're getting a little too far. You can see dancing a little. Right there, maybe just a hair back to the left. See, there's now it's catching. You're picking up speed. Right there. Baby steps. Small adjustments, small mistakes. You got it. You're out. Two reps. Clockwise, always fun. Clockwise, always fun. That's the nice thing about being a guy. You never worry about this. One more wrap. One more wrap. One more wrap around the wheel. Yeah, let the wheel do it. There you go. All right, now put it to the little thing and fix it the time. Lovely Mrs. Z even got a shot at the wheel, bringing back memories of the times that she crossed from Florida to the islands on her dad's boat with her dad. Wonderful day out on the water. We finally made it back into the harbor to run head on into the Wednesday regattas. Everyone lining up to race. That made for a bit of a traffic jam to wiggle through, but it was all part of the adventure. And the end of 2 days out playing in the water. It was a wonderful weekend. I want to thank Corinne for the hospitality and a damn good adventure. And I got another Wind Rider adventure coming up here real quick, an overnighter, and you'll be there. Yeah, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss another adventure. Because you know,
we're gonna take you bastards sailing.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes, cheers.